Okay, welcome back to another edition of eBay Adventures. I recorded a lot of these on our main channel, which is Real BatDude. This is the BatDude channel. So we just started out posting demo videos and stuff, and people started to sub more and more to see the videos that are attached to our eBay listings. So we're going to try and continue to grow this channel. It is 7 a.m. on Sunday, July 9th. How are you doing? Appreciate you being here. We're going to do another unboxing of a Whatnot. We did another Whatnot haul. For some reason, the past 2 weeks, we've been on a spending spree, but it seems like, you know, you're spending a lot of money. We're not. Everything is $1, $2, and $3. Of course, there's shipping on top, but these are all collectibles that mean something to me, that I like, whatever. I have 3 big boxes in this little package, so let's get going. This is an unboxing haul from our purchases on Whatnot. So let's get going here. Hopefully the music isn't too loud. I thought it'd be a nice little addition. So, I don't know. A lot of these were purchased last week, and I honestly don't remember what they are. So you're seeing them same time as me. Okay, so I purchased, what are these? A thank you card. Where'd we get these from? This is the card they sent with. Little thank you card from the Green Tree Goods. Let me put on my reading glasses. We'll make this an official boomer video. Green Tree Goods. Oh, Grove Tree. So this is who we purchased it from, but on Whatnot they may have a different thing. So for Shites and Geigels, I got a package of Pez's. There's 4 of them. Mandalorian. I got a Mario. Some of these are showing up a little bit better. A Halloween one with the pumpkin. What looks best? I don't know. And then we got a funky chicken. I don't know what this is. Look at this dude. He's kind of creepy looking. So that's one purchase we got. Honestly, I think I got all 4 for $1, to tell you the truth. If it was $2, I'd be surprised. I'm not paying $1 per used Pez's. I really kind of got it for the Mandalorian, you know, in there. But yeah, so first one done. Now this next, I honestly don't know what this is. Just a nice little thank you on the front. So let me cut this open and then we'll look together at our bat knife here. Be careful, everyone, when you're using knives. Naturally, you should cut away from your body. I'm cutting towards it. I want this open. God. Hence the reason for the music in the background. Okay. Here we go. What do we got here? We got a thank you sticker and a card. A thank you sticker. Kind of colorful. This is nice. Can actually be reused if I really want to. And a little sticker, which is nice. Put those in the pile. This is how it's wrapped. More stuffing. I don't know what this is. I honestly don't know what this is. Feels like a FUNKO? No. Oh, Jesus. Almost scared me. Look at this crazy dude. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty cool looking. I don't know what if he belongs to any sort of group of action figures, but he's really pretty gruesome. I kind of like him, and I think I'm going to give him to my son, who's a dinosaur freak, as soon as he gets up. Again, we're recording this at 7 in the morning on Sunday, July 9th, and I couldn't sleep because I was having nightmares. Maybe this is why. His arms move. His legs don't. Only his arms move. Huh, but pretty cool. I mean, he's heavy. He's thick. He weighs solid plastic, not hollow. What's he weigh? 9 ounces, almost 10 ounces. That's more than a half a pound. So pretty cool. I like it. I'm sure my son will like it. And we're on our second box. We did the one bag. Now we have a box. I don't know why it's in a big priority box. I think it's more for the size than the weight. And I don't know what I bought that was so big and necessitates a big box like this. Okay, so I got Funko Pops. You guys will like this. Funko Pop opening. I think if there's 3 of them, if I'm not mistaken. I got 3. And I guarantee I paid no more than $2 each. $3 tops on these. Because they all might have a little bit of damage. They're not any sort of graded whatsoever. I think I got them from this guy who's a professional pop collector seller on on Whatnot. He has a huge warehouse. So this is what I got. I thought it was pretty cool. I couldn't pass this up. Couldn't pass this up. Let me read what these say, because I mean, you can see it. I want to read what it says. The Joker, Batman. Of course, my throat goes bad. Pretty cool. That might be the best look right there. And the box is in decent shape. It's a little loose. And over here, yeah, it's just a little, got a gap, whatever. So this wouldn't be a top grade, but it certainly is pretty cool. I had a better one. There, where was it? With the very least little glare. That's pretty good. That's even better. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get a sip of water here, sorry. Doing this as kind of like a live unboxing. Now this I got because, I don't know, I think this is from Rogue One. Maybe not. It says Rey and Finn, so this is the new stuff. I thought it was from Rogue One, but I still kind of liked it anyway. I think this is Finn. Yeah, this is Finn in the beginning of the movie, and when he had blood on him, there was a big battle or something, and he finally takes off his. So I got a Finn F12187. So a Finn with the blood on his Stormtrooper, Star Wars, Target exclusive. Again, the box is in decent condition. Bent here. There's a crease. Maybe you could see it this way. Maybe not. Other than that, the box is in pretty good condition. Pretty cool Stormtrooper. From the first of the 3 newer movies, which I personally am not a big fan of. I don't think they did it right. But that's just me. And this dude's coming out of his box. Why is my throat gone so bad? Excuse me. Now this I picked up. I really didn't. I thought I already had one. I don't. But I'm pretty sure in an upcoming video, I did some more shopping, and I think I got a real Joker Funko. But Suicide Squad wasn't a good movie, wasn't a bad movie, but I got the Joker. Suicide Squad Joker. So, Target exclusive, not bad. He's coming out of his, you can see he's coming out of, he's like leaning out. God, the glare on this. He's supposed to be sitting back in there, so he's kind of like falling forward in the box, but. So I got those 3 Funkos. And he fell down. It's a good thing I don't care about box condition or grading. This one, this Finn one is the heaviest though. He's heavy. So if you get him, he's a substantial toy. The Batman and the Joker are much lighter. I can't see. There they are. So these are the 3 I got from one seller. I mean, if you're looking at $369 tops, I can't remember. I know I didn't pay $3 for each. There was a seller, and he was being nice and offering them all up at like $1, starting bid of $1. So we got those. We got these. We got this scary dude. Last box. And honestly, I don't remember. Big box, Franken box. I just doxed myself. It's okay, I have no money. Nothing to steal anyone. I didn't think I did. I thought I showed this side. Doesn't matter. All right. I think I bought more Funkos. Another Funko Pop unboxing. What else is in here? Packaging. You can always use that. Card. Receipt. All right, first one. They're not all 3 together like the last one. I got 2? Maybe just 2. That's okay. This one, I'm not the biggest fan of this movie series. I like it. My kids sort of grew up with it. At their ages, when these movies were hot, they really weren't into it. They were. We watched some of it. You see what I mean in a minute? There we go, because they double wrapped it here. Lots of bubble wrap. At least they did a really great job of packaging it. I don't remember. So this is a Harry Potter. This is what exclusive. Is this an exclusive? Nope, not exclusive. Harry Potter 91. He's in his black basic school robe. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter, number 91. So yeah, pretty cool. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I'm trying to read it. There we go. I think we're getting a nice. There we go. Look at that. That's a nice view. Pretty cool. I mean, the box is a little bit, you know, of, I wouldn't call perfect on top. But I like Harry Potter. I like him enough. I like the movies. My favorite is the second, third, fourth. You know. Next. More wrapping paper. I can always use that. Last Funko Pop. I know what this is. Did you see it? Or you didn't? This one's really cool. Do I have one? I didn't have one. And I saw it on sale. Again, I think this one was from a different place. I'm not sure. I'm like, kind of got to have it. It's one of those, you got to have them if you're collecting some of these things. And I think I got it because it was on sale because of what it is. It isn't the standard Deadpool. He's got candy canes in his hand, which is still pretty cool. I'll display him now through Christmas anyway, and probably always. Pretty cool. Number 400, bobblehead figurine. Oh, it's a bobblehead too. Oh wow, no wonder why it's sold cheap. Are the rest of these bobbleheads? They're not bobbleheads. No, this one's a bobblehead. You can see its head wobble a little. I didn't know that. Come on with the glare. See his head kind of move a little? It's a bobblehead. Says it right on there. Still pretty cool. I mean, it's got its fighting gear on and everything. He's just got candy canes in his hand. I mean, I'll probably get, and it's got some damage up at the top. I mean, this is a low grade thing, which I probably picked it up for $1, $2 as well. But there you have it. See the bottom of this Harry Potter. Look at this. That is not good. So these are my last two purchases. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you can hear my audio. I'm going to try and post this no matter what. This helps me stay awake for a little bit and get motivated to put them up on a display. I have a display over here. Maybe I'll do a separate video on my Funkos. And I have some up there. These are some of our original purchases. And I have some on a shelf over here. And then I have the more that I just purchased. So maybe I'll do a little separate video showing all the Funkos. And yeah, thank you. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Hope you liked it. Hope your 4th of July was fun and pleasant. And I hope the rest of July is good for you guys. Take care. God bless. Game over.